The Shafer Butte area of the Boise National Forest is about a 45-minute drive from Boise, Idaho. This area offers nearly 50 miles of beautiful and challenging trails that wind through pine forests and across high mountain meadows. On this ride, we rode a hybrid route linking Freddy's Stack Rock Trail to the Eastside Trail via a 20-minute pedal on Bogus Basin Road.
All right, we're gonna do Freddy's Stack Rock connector to Eastside Loop today. Nice chilly start, but otherwise pretty nice. It's the second time we've done this ride. First time we was a week ago. Spent a lot of attention navigating it. Today we don't have to worry about that. So it should be a little more pleasurable in that regard. The ride starts out uphill, but not terrible. So beautifully built that it's not a heartbreaker. Our next section will be on Bogus Basin Road for, what do you think, couple miles?
Yeah.
Roughly 2-3 miles. So I won't tape that. Just a quick note, finding this trailhead is a little tricky for us. We've passed it twice now. If you get all the way to the Bogus Basin Ski Resort, you've gone too far. There's Bogus Basin straight ahead. Kind of loosen up a little bit, get the hips loose. Oh yeah. New mountain bike term when you're putting the foot down to get through a slow technical section. Peg leg, I like that. Now, one of the ironies is I mentioned earlier in the ride that we've done this once before, but navigated and stopped a lot. So now we have this second time, we don't have to look at the phone and navigate and everything else, but we're also kind of not looking at everything else. Yeah. And enjoying the trail. And it just you can only ride a trail for the first time, one time. That's a unique experience that you never repeat. It's something that I relish, both the first time and the second time. The other thing that happens when you ride a trail a second, third, fourth time is now you're grading yourself. How am I doing versus the last time I rode this? Which, in my experience, relates to fatigue and nutrition and sleep and everything else. But you become conscious of it, whereas on the first time you're riding a trail, there is no standard by which to judge yourself. Different experience. Not bad, not good, different. And I judge myself in the corner. How smooth, do I have to grab a handful of brake? Am I relaxed? Or am I tense and overcooking the corners? One thing I love about this trail is the sight lines. Nice and long for the most part. Yeah, yeah, you got it, you got it. Stay with it, stay with it, stay with it. You're in it, you got it. You got it, yeah! Woohoo! This is beautiful. The enchanted forest of mountain biking. Nice. Oh yeah. Got it, got it. Stay with it, stay with it. You got it. Nice job. And we made it back. And thank you. Good morning or afternoon. Thank you.